Hey guys, welcome back to Mississippi Dash, and it's Tuesday evening, 5 p.m. Getting ready to go out for probably 2 hours, see if I can make 30 for this evening. It's pretty busy traffic-wise, but Tuesdays tend to be the roughest days in my market for dashing. I live at a pretty busy intersection, so it gets kind of difficult to get out of here. Let me see if I can pin and get around. There we go. All right, so here we go. We're gonna try for our 30 this evening and see where the night takes us. And yeah, let's do it. Well, I decided to decline the first order. It was a high paying order, but it was $4.50 for 2 miles. And I think if we hold out, we'll get a bigger order, and I'll go up here to this really busy parking lot and sit there, and I'll wait for something better. We'll see. Okay, first order of the night is $8 for a little over 6 miles, I think, from Mugshots. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one. A little bit more mileage, but a little bit more pay. Plus, since I made 45 yesterday, I'm 15 ahead of my goal for today. So, I mean, really the goal for tonight is more like 20 bucks, to be honest, and that'll put me still ahead of my 30 for the main evening. Let's go pick this one up. So I had somebody ask me why it is that I only go for like a $30 goal every day. And the reason is pretty simple. It's called the 2750 rule. This year I decided that I wanted to add $10,000 to my income for the year. And when you spread $10,000 over 365 days, it turns out to be something like 2750. 2750 times 365 gives you a little over $10,000. And 30 bucks a day making money rather than having to worry about saving $30 a day seemed a little more feasible for me, and probably would be for you too. And that begs the question, what would you do with an extra $10,000 in a year? I know that sounds...
Continue on Main Street for 3 miles.
For a lot of people, if you need $10,000, you can make it as simple as a couple extra hours a day. And, I'm hoping to use that for an emergency fund. I'm hoping to use that for a lot of different things throughout this year. In fact, I'm really excited about it. Okay, got that one dropped off. Let's go for order number 2. Yeah. All right, $6 order from Walgreens. Shop now. Let's go grab it. Okay, so I guess this person's having like some major knee pain because they asked me to get like a knee brace for them. Didn't have the one they wanted, and the one that I found as a substitute was a couple of dollars more. Well, I gave her a call. She wasn't happy about it, but if you get a chance, make sure you get the receipt when you check out on a shopping order. That way, at least the person has a chance to check out and like return it if they need to. I just find that usually if you talk to the customer, and that receipt can go a long way. Man, look at that setting sun area over there. Sky looks beautiful. What a great day. Seeing those Tuesday results, got 2 more orders, but they were for like $6 for 12 miles and then $4 for 9 miles. Yeah. Not taking those. I may just take one more order and just call it a night. It is a typical slow Tuesday. There we go. Zaxby's, $7, little over 3 miles. Let's get that one. Okay, got that order delivered. Let's see if we can get one more. We're at 21 right now. Hopefully the next one will put us close to or at 30 bucks. Let's hit it. All right, last minute order from McAllister's for like $6.50 plus for 0.09 miles. We'll take that one. This will definitely be the last one of the night. And it's a hotel delivery. Yes, sir. Easy peasy. Well, hot damn. John coming in clutch with the last order. Said $6.25 or $6.50 plus. And a bunch of construction guys. It was actually a $12 order. So that put me at 34 for the night. That's awesome. 45 yesterday, 34 today. We're killing it. Sweet. On to the house. Man, look at that moon. It is so majestic. What a good end. All right, so we made it back to the house. The night was a success. I'm saying hello to the ladies here. And I wanted to bring you guys back to show you something kind of cool. So let's go upstairs. One of the reasons I'm running this channel is I want to just show everyone how easy it is, or how simple it is to really like gather your thoughts and move into a direction of goal setting, right? Because we all have goals. We all have financial things we want to reach. And one of the ways I do that is through systems. I set up my whiteboard for the month to track all of the profits that we get every day, and set a goal for every month of where I want to be and what I want to do with DoorDash. The idea of the 2750 rule is not that I've set a goal this year of $10,000, but I've set up a system where every day I can achieve a little bit to get there. Anyway, I think that's a lesson that everybody should learn. Good ending to the night. Thought it went well. We hit 34, so that's over our 30, and we did 45 yesterday, so we're way ahead of our $30 for every day kind of system we got going. I'll see you tomorrow.